a blast in a bathroom on platform number 10 of the Patna railway station. One person has been injured. These are the reports that we're getting currently as we speak. There has been a blast and one person has been injured. Rohit Singh now joining us on the phone line with more details. Rohit, if you can give us an idea of when this blast took place, and besides the one person that has been injured, are there any casualties? Have any others also been injured in this?
Well, the blast has happened in the bathroom of where the platform number 10 is there. In that bathroom, two crude bombs, we can say, like a cracker that was found there. And one of those small crude bombs has blasted, but no casualty has taken place. And another crude bomb has been recovered and it has been diffused. But who placed these two small crude bombs in that bathroom at the platform number 10 is not yet known. But those police have reached the spot and they are investigating this case.
Right, Rohit, if you can give us an idea of where the other crude bomb was found? Rohit, if you can hear me?
Yes, go on.
If you can give us an idea of where the other crude bomb was found?
Both these crude bombs were found at the Patna station at the platform number 10. There was a bathroom at the platform number 10. And inside the bathroom, two bombs were there. One of these small crude bombs blasted, but there was no casualty at that time. Another crude bomb was recovered and it has been diffused by the police. But from where these crude bombs arrived at the bathroom at the Patna station is still unknown.
Right, and what is the situation currently at the Patna railway station? What forces have in fact been deployed there?
Police has reached the spot and they are investigating and trying to find out from where did these bombs come. But the person is suddenly tense at the station because people are thinking a lot of things. They are effort to catch the rally of Narendra Modi happening in Patna today at Gandhi मैदान.
What about the situation at the station? Has it been brought under control? Have trains been delayed? Is there going to be a problem because of this?
Well, as we know, several thousands of people are arriving for the Hookah rally. Trains that have been organized by the BJP. So obviously at the station there were several people who were there at that time when this crude bomb took place.
Right, Rohit, if you can also just give us an idea, considering there have been several people over there that have in fact gathered for Modi's Hunkar rally that is slated to begin soon in Patna. What about the crowds at the station? Is there a certain way where the government in fact is going to put to sort of manage the crowds and disperse them in an orderly fashion? We seem to have lost the line there with our correspondent Rohit Singh, but this is the breaking news we're bringing you right now. There's been a blast on the platform number 10 of the Patna railway station. No casualties have been reported. One person has been injured. Security forces and the Bihar police in fact are trying to determine who is behind this. Another crude bomb was found in the bathroom, but currently as Rohit Singh told us, the situation is under control. Crowds are being dispersed in an orderly fashion. Now remember, there are a lot of crowds at the Patna station currently because 12 trains were even booked today for people and supporters to gather in Patna in Gandhi Maidan for Modi's Hunkar rally. But right now there's been a blast in Patna's railway station on platform number 10 in one of the bathrooms. Another crude bomb was found but diffused on time, and one person has been injured. This is the breaking news we're bringing you right now. No other people have been injured currently. And this is a blast that is coming ahead of Modi's Hunkar rally that is happening at Patna today. We understand that the Chief Minister was not going to be in Patna today. He was going to go to Munger for a yoga session and another ceremony. But we will get you reports and updates on whether the Chief Minister will in fact be arriving in Patna to take stock of the situation. Right, that's the big breaking news we're bringing you right now. A crude bomb has in fact blown up on platform number 10 of the Patna railway station. There's been a blast. The bomb has exploded in Patna's railway station. One person has been injured. There are no reports of any other injuries or casualties that are coming in right now. But there is another crude bomb that was found, but it has been diffused. The Bihar police are trying to currently ascertain who is behind this. Now remember, there were a huge amount of crowd and supporters and who were in fact gathered at the Patna railway station, considering 12 other trains were in fact booked for Patna because of Narendra Modi's high-tech Hunkar rally. This is the breaking news we're bringing right now. This is a blast that happened right ahead of Narendra Modi's Hunkar rally, which was slated to begin anytime soon. This was a blast that was in the bathroom at platform number 10 of the Patna railway station, and another crude bomb was found, but was in fact defused. Remember, as we were saying earlier, Modi's rally, in fact, there were several arrangements that were made transport-wise. 6,000 buses were booked, 12 trains were booked. A lot of crowds, lot of supporters, in fact, gathering in Patna today for Modi's Hunkar rally. This blast coming ahead of that big rally. And we understand, as our correspondent has told us, that the Bihar police is trying to ascertain who is behind the blast, and are also managing to disperse the crowds at the railway station in an orderly fashion, considering there were a lot of people gathered here today for the rally. Rohit Singh back with us on the phone line. Rohit, if you can give us an idea of what the situation is like currently on ground. We understand there must have been throngs of supporters and crowds at the Patna railway station right ahead of Narendra Modi's Hunkar rally.
Absolutely, several people are coming to Patna station since morning with special trains that have been organized by BJP, and obviously there was a lot of crowd at the Patna station in comparison to other days when this blast has taken place. Two crude bombs were found at the bathroom at the platform number 10, and one of them blasted. What the news we are getting is that one person has been injured in that blast, and the other crude bomb has been recovered and it has been diffused. But from where did this crude bomb come to the railway station, and was it deliberately planted by any anti-social element? That has been certain, because police has now reached the spot and they are trying to find out from where did this crude bomb come, because the atmosphere right now at the station is tense, there is chaos. And allegations are also being leveled by the BJP that it is an effort by some anti-social element or maybe the opposition to create some, to sabotage the Narendra Modi rallies happening at Gandhi Maidan.
Absolutely, Rohit. If you can also just give us an idea of the forces and what the police are trying to do. Do they have any leads? Are your sources telling you or trying to ascertain who is behind this blast? We understand that another crude bomb was found and it has been defused in the same bathroom on platform number 10. Rohit, if you can hear me?
Yeah, hello?
Yes, Rohit, if you can give us an idea of the situation on ground, whether the Bihar police has got any leads on who is behind this explosion. We understand that there was another crude bomb that was found in the same bathroom that has been defused.
Well, right now, Bihar police is clueless because this blast has taken place just a short while back, and now the police have reached the spot there at the place where the blast has taken place, platform number 10 at Patna station. They are still trying to ascertain that from where did these two crude bombs come to that bathroom, and one of the crude bombs has in fact exploded and one person has been injured, but still there are no clue that who are the people or who any organization behind the blast that has taken place at the station.
ब्लास्ट हुआ, उसमें एक व्यक्ति घायल हुआ है, उसको रेफर किया गया है हॉस्पिटल में। बाकी जो हमारी बॉम्ब डिस्पोजल वाली टीम है और एफएसएल की टीम यहाँ आके जांच कर रही है।
कोई संदिग्ध की गिरफ्तारी हुई है?
अभी किसी की गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई है।
कितने आदमी इंजर्ड हैं?
एक आदमी इंजर्ड है, उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया है।
और भी बम कहीं से बरामद हुए हैं क्या स्टेशन पर?
नहीं, अभी और सब जगह खोज छानबीन चल रही है, ऐसा कोई अभी बरामद नहीं हुआ है।
Right, in fact, that is an official from the Bihar police, in fact, speaking with headlines today currently, confirming that one person has been injured in the blast. He's also adding that the bomb disposal squad is currently at the Patna railway station to take stock of the situation. Remember, one bomb, in fact, was exploded in the bathroom of platform number 10 at the Patna railway station. Another crude bomb was found that has been defused. The Bihar police and other forces are currently trying to take stock of the situation. Now, remember, this is going to be a difficult task ahead of Narendra Modi's rally, considering there were throngs of supporters, big crowds that in fact had gathered at Patna's railway station. Remember, 12 trains in fact were going to be coming into Patna today for supporters to attend Narendra Modi's rally, and so sort of dispersing these crowds off in an orderly fashion, trying to take control of the situation is going to be a difficult task, considering there were a huge amount of people, and this explosion has in fact taken place at the Patna railway station. We understand that only one person has been injured. No other casualties or injuries have been reported. There were 2 crude bombs that were found. These are live pictures that are coming on your screen currently of the community toilet and the bath complex. This is the place, in fact, where the crude bomb was found, and where the other one exploded. We understand that 1 person has been injured. Now, this blast coming ahead of Narendra Modi's Hunkar rally in Patna's Gandhi Maidan, and this explosion taking place as another crude bomb was defused. Let's just listen in to an official from the Bihar police, in fact, that spoke with us moments ago. Let's just listen in.
यहाँ पे शौचालय जो 10 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म का शौचालय है, ब्लास्ट हुआ, उसमें एक व्यक्ति घायल हुआ है, उसको रेफर किया गया है हॉस्पिटल में। बाकी जो हमारी बॉम्ब डिस्पोजल वाली टीम है और एफएसएल की टीम यहाँ आके जांच कर रही है।
कोई संदिग्ध की गिरफ्तारी हुई है?
अभी किसी की गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई है।
कितने आदमी इंजर्ड हैं?
एक आदमी इंजर्ड है, उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया है।
और भी बम कहीं से बरामद हुए हैं क्या स्टेशन पर?
नहीं, अभी और सब जगह खोज छानबीन चल रही है, ऐसा कोई अभी बरामद नहीं हुआ है।
That's Manu Maharaj, the SSP from Patna, in fact confirming that 1 person has been injured in the explosion that took place today in Patna's railway station on platform number 10 in the bathroom where a crude bomb exploded. Remember, now another crude bomb was defused. The SSP confirming that no arrests have been made. The bomb disposal team is currently on ground. The FSL team is currently on ground, and they are searching and combing the place for any other possible crude bombs. Now, this is going to be a difficult task for Bihar's forces, considering there was a huge throng of supporters and crowds that in fact have gathered in Patna today for Narendra Modi's Hunkar rally. Remember, 12 trains in fact were in fact coming into Patna today for the rally. So dispersing them in an orderly fashion is going to be a big task for the Bihar police ahead of Modi's rally. Devesh Chandra Thakur, JDU leader, on the phone line with us. Sir, we understand that 1 person has been injured in the blast. Another crude bomb has been defused. What is the state government doing to take stock of the situation currently in Patna?
Well, we have heard that a low-intensity crude bomb has exploded on the railway platform, somewhere near the toilet of the railway platform.
Right.
It's a matter of surprise. It's a sad thing to happen. I believe 1 or 2 people are injured. I'm sure the police are looking into the matter. As soon as we get anything concrete to say on that, we will come back with it. But right now, it will be too premature to say anything on that.
Absolutely. So we understand that Nitish Kumar was not going to be in Patna today. Is there likelihood that he is going to cancel his visit to Munger to stay back and take control of the situation, considering there is a huge amount of crowd at Patna currently for Narendra Modi's rally?
He is very much in Patna. He is scheduled to leave. He is scheduled to go out of Patna in the evening.
Okay.
He is very much in Patna and he is scheduled to leave Patna in the evening.
All right, sir. And we understand that no arrests have been made so far?
Well, I'm sure the police are working hard on it. As soon as something comes out, we'll come back to the press for that.
Absolutely. Devesh Chandra Thakur, JDU leader, thank you so much for speaking with Headlines today. A crude bomb has exploded at the Patna railway station hours ahead of Narendra Modi's rally in the city's Gandhi Maidan. 1 person has been injured in the blast, as you heard the SSP of Patna, in fact, speaking to Headlines today. The other bomb has been defused. Now, thousands have already gathered at the Gandhi Maidan when Narendra Modi is expected to reach Patna by about 1 o'clock this afternoon for his Hunkar rally. This is his first ever in Bihar. Now, remember, the BJP had arranged special trains to carry supporters to the Patna railway station for the rally. So, this is going to be a difficult task ahead for the Bihar police and for security forces, considering the crude bomb has in fact exploded and there are throngs of crowds and supporters that were slated to attend this rally. We have an eyewitness account that's coming in currently. Let's listen in.
उस समय लोग यहाँ थे, कुछ आवाज सुनाई दी थी क्या?
चल गया था गाड़ी में।
क्या हुआ था उस समय?
उस समय आवाज सुनाई दिया। बताएंगे
क्या हुआ था?
हम तो नहीं थे, लेकिन हम तो चल गए थे उधर प्लेटफार्म पर, यही थे, बताने आ रहे हैं।
Yeah, that's in fact that was an eyewitness account coming. Let's just listen to another one.
घायल तो मैं एक ही आदमी हम लोग देखे।
कितने बजे की घटना है?
अब टाइम तो ना देखने सब, बाकी 10 बजे तक 10 बजे तक
आवाज कैसे?
धमाका बहुत बरियार हुआ। एकदम बहुत भारी जोर से।
कोई संदिग्ध को देखे थे? कोई ऐसा आदमी
ना भागा भागी हम लोग नहीं देखे।
जो आदमी घायल हुए तो कैसे घायल?
अब उसको हम देखे नहीं है कि मतलब कैसन है कैसन ना, हम चल गए उधर एम्बुलेंस लाने के लिए। ना तोड़ फोड़ कुछ ना।
क्या नाम है?
धर्मनाथ यादव।
भैया नहीं मरा नहीं।
That was in fact an eyewitness account. Remember, we spoke with the SSP of Patna earlier, who in fact confirmed that one person has been injured, but so far no arrests have been made. A crude bomb exploded at Patna railway station this morning, hours ahead of Narendra Modi's rally in the city's Gandhi Maidan. We understand that one person has been injured in the blast. The other bomb was defused. Bomb disposal squads and FSL teams are in fact on the spot, currently searching the area. And thousands have already gathered at Gandhi Maidan, where Narendra Modi is expected to reach Patna by 1 o'clock for his Hunkar rally. This is his first ever in Bihar. Now, the BJP had in fact arranged special trains to carry supporters to the Patna railway station for the rally. So this is going to be a difficult task ahead for the Bihar police, considering there were throngs of crowds and supporters gathered at the station slated to attend Narendra Modi's rally. One person has been injured. These visuals that you see on your screen are of the police gathered at the Patna railway station to take stock of the situation. Kamaljeet Sandhu, our correspondent, now joining us on the phone line. Kamaljeet, one person has been injured in the blast. No arrests have been made, and a second bomb was found in the bathroom that has been, in fact, been defused. The Bihar police do not have any leads yet on who is behind the blast, but they say that no arrests have been made, and FSL teams and bomb disposal squads are currently on ground to take stock of the situation.
Well, MHA has taken a serious view of this, and they have sought a report from Bihar Police. What we've been told by our sources in MHA are that this blast actually occurred at 9:15. One bomb went off, the other was recovered and defused. We also believe that one person has been grievously injured and he's been rushed to the hospital.
Right.
And obviously the police team is there and they're seeking a detailed report, but they're saying it's too early to really say who's behind it, who's done it. They're saying Bihar Police is on the job and MHA has sought a detailed report. Remember earlier this year, in July itself, 9 bombs had gone off in Bodh Gaya. So Bihar has actually seen a bomb explosion taking place earlier this year.
Absolutely.
But definitely ahead of Modi's rally, this is a huge thing which is really happening, and MHA has taken a serious view of this.
Absolutely, Kamaljeet. In fact, bringing us that breaking news right now, where the MHA has in fact sought a report from the Bihar police on the crude bomb explosion that we understand has taken place at 9:15 a.m. this morning. Now, according to MHA sources that are telling headlines today that the blast occurred at 9:15 a.m. this morning. This is just hours before Narendra Modi is expected to reach Patna by 1 p.m. for his Hunkar rally, which is going to be his first ever rally in Bihar. The two crude bombs, one went off and the other one was recovered and defused. So far, one person is said to be injured, but grievously. The SSP of Patna also spoke with headlines today. He's also confirmed that no arrests have been made, but we understand that the MHA is in fact taking stock of the situation. They have stepped in and sought a report from the Bihar police on the blast. Now, this is going to be a tough task for the Bihar police to manage ahead of the throngs of supporters and crowds that in fact have reached Patna today ahead of Narendra Modi's rally, which is slated to begin at 1 p.m. today. Now, remember, the BJP had already arranged special trains to carry supporters to the Patna railway station for the rally. 12 to be accurate, 12 trains in fact had been arranged for them to come into Patna. But right ahead of that, there has been a blast in a bathroom on platform number 10 of the Patna's railway station. Kamaljeet back with us on the phone line. Kamaljeet, if we can just refresh for our viewers again, the MHA has in fact sought a report from the Bihar police, considering that this explosion did in fact take place and one crude bomb has been defused. And it was just earlier in the year that Bihar already had to deal with explosions at Bodh Gaya.
Well, definitely. So MHA has taken a serious view, as I mentioned earlier, and they have sought a detailed report. Our sources clearly saying that this actually blast took place at platform number 10 near the toilet, and they're saying that the time is 9:15 a.m. The other crude bomb was recovered, but the person who's been injured, there's been one injured person. They suspect there could be more, but they're still awaiting details from Bihar police. They're saying that one person has been grievously injured and he's been rushed to the hospital.
Kamaljeet, I just have to hold. I'll just have to ask you to hang on. We have an eyewitness account coming in.
इस वक्त कुछ अभी स्पष्ट नहीं है कि किस टाइप का बॉम्ब था, क्या इंटेंशन था, तो थोड़ा रुक जाएं आप लोग।
कितने आदमी इंजर्ड हुए हैं?
एक व्यक्ति इंजर्ड है और गंभीर रूप से घायल है, उनको पटना मेडिकल कॉलेज हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किया गया है। जी
सर, आज इतनी बड़ी रैली होने वाली है और कहीं न कहीं जिस तरीके से बम विस्फोट हो रहा है, सुरक्षा में इसको आप चूक मानते हैं?
नहीं, एक्चुअली ये पे एंड यूज टॉयलेट है, तो ये मैन टॉयलेट है, तो उसमें ये कह पाना कि चूक हुई है कि नहीं है इस क्षण तो संभव नहीं है। थोड़ा सा इसमें जांच हम लोग कर लें, उसके बाद आपको स्पष्ट जो भी निकलेगा बताया जाएगा।
किसी संदिग्ध की निशानदेही नहीं हुई है क्या? किसी के लिए गिरफ्तारी?
नहीं, अभी बहुत प्रारंभिक स्टेज है, थोड़ा आप रुक जाएं और इस क्षण जो है इतनी सूचना मैं आपको दे पाऊंगा, आगे जो होगा डेवलपमेंट बताया जाएगा। थैंक यू।
Kamalji Sandhu back with us on the phone line. Kamalji, that was an official from the Bihar police, in fact, saying that they cannot ascertain currently what kind of explosion this is, but they are investigating the incident, considering it is too premature to actually make any statements on the explosion currently. But we do understand that the MHA has sought a report from the Bihar police on the incident.
Well, definitely ahead of this big rally, there were security arrangements which were put in place.
Right.
But remember, the task of law and order is clearly with Bihar police. And yes, MHA does look into big incidents, including this one. But yes, Bihar in the past few months has had a brush with terrorism. We've seen it in Bodh Gaya in July itself. There were 9 bombs. There were also crude bombs which went off almost simultaneously in 9 places. And obviously a report was sought then also. But clearly ahead of this particular political rally, there has been a blast. Then obviously they have to really see who has the intention, what could be the really intention, and obviously the number of trains coming in, and we believe most of the trains were coming to platform number 1. So in that sense, not too many people were injured when this explosion took place at platform number 10. But yes, if there were more people, more injuries could have occurred. They've taken a very serious note of it. They have sought a report from Bihar police. But at this point of time, MHA officials rushing to North Block. They would be taking a meeting. They would be taking a review of that particular situation and also seeking details as to what was the timing and the intention of this. And perhaps Bihar police could also be reviewing perhaps the CCTV footage, if any. They would be looking at clues, but at this point of time, it is the safety of the passengers which is extremely important and critical. So isolating that particular area, getting all the forensic details, this is something Bihar police is going to be looking at. But Ministry of Home Affairs, on the other hand, is going to be seeking a detailed report, and in some time from now, we can expect a report from Bihar police.
Right, Kamaljeet, we understand that because of Narendra Modi's Hunkar rally, where it was slated, the BJP even had 12 trains come into Patna, especially for the Hunkar rally today. So it is going to be a very difficult task for the Bihar police and the Bihar state government to manage those crowds in an orderly fashion, considering there were throngs of supporters, because this is Narendra Modi's first ever rally in Bihar.
Well, definitely so. It is a huge rally, and remember there were special trains, a lot of people coming in by the numbers. So yes, law and order has to be taken care of by the police. There have to be a certain strategy put in mind. And remember that Bihar has a brush with terrorism a few months ago. So they had to keep in mind whether it is about security check, whether it is about barricading, whether it is about not creating panic. You know, if there were too many people on the platform and a bomb would have taken place, a stampede-like situation could have also taken place. So a whole lot of this situation is something that the Bihar police needs to manage, and that is why it's important that they get crucial clues. They would be looking at eyewitness accounts. They would be looking at other people who could give some details as to who had actually planted the bomb. But as I mentioned earlier, it's too early to really gather clues as to who's done it or who could be behind it.
Right.
But eventually, Bihar police will have to deal with that particular situation and investigate on those lines.
Kamalji, just stay with us. We also spoke with Atul Pathak, the IG of the RPF earlier, who in fact was on ground currently to take stock of the situation. Let's listen in.
सर क्या अपने गाँव पर हुआ है?
देखिए अभी तो बहुत ही
बम था
ये अभी बहुत ही प्रारंभिक सूचना प्राप्त हुई है और BDDS की टीम अभी आना बाकी है। आ जाएं तो फिर जो डिटेल होगा वो बताएंगे, क्योंकि इस वक्त कुछ अभी स्पष्ट नहीं है कि किस टाइप का बम था, क्या इंटेंशन था। तो थोड़ा रुक जाएं आप लोग।
कितने आदमी इंजर्ड हुए हैं?
एक व्यक्ति इंजर्ड है और गंभीर रूप से घायल है, उनको पटना मेडिकल कॉलेज हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किया गया है। जी
सर आज इतनी बड़ी रैली होने वाली है और कहीं न कहीं जिस तरीके से बम विस्फोट हुआ है, सुरक्षा में इसको आप चूक मानते हैं?
नहीं, एक्चुअली ये पे एंड यूज टॉयलेट है, तो ये मैन टॉयलेट है, तो उसमें ये कह पाना कि चूक हुई है कि नहीं है इस क्षण तो संभव नहीं है। थोड़ा सा इसमें जांच हम लोग कर लें, उसके बाद आपको स्पष्ट जो भी निकलेगा बताया जाएगा।
किसी संदिग्ध की निशानदेही नहीं हुई है क्या, और किसी के लिए गिरफ्तारी?
नहीं, अभी बहुत प्रारंभिक स्टेज है, थोड़ा आप रुक जाएं और इस क्षण जो है इतनी सूचना मैं आपको दे पाऊंगा, आगे जो होगा डेवलपमेंट बताया जाएगा। थैंक यू।
Right, on a day that the BJP Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi was scheduled to address a rally in the state capital, a bomb blast in fact taking place at the Patna railway station on Sunday morning, injuring one person. That was Atul Pathak, the IG of the RPF, in fact making a confirmation that one person has been grievously injured and has been taken to the Patna Medical College. Meanwhile, we also understand that the MHA has in fact sought a report from the Bihar police. According to MHA sources, one person is said to be grievously injured and the blast occurred at 9:15 a.m. today. Two crude bombs, one went off and the other one has in fact been recovered. These two bombs were recovered from the Kharbigaya end of the Patna junction, which is south of the main entrance, which is being deactivated currently. And the crude bombs were packed in these tins and armed with nails and explosives. Kamal back with us on the phone line. Kamal, if you can just give us an idea of, we understand that the MHA is in fact taking stock of the situation, and the injured person has been sent to the Patna Medical College Hospital for treatment. But considering this is going to be a very, very difficult task ahead for the state government and for the Bihar police, because of the amount of supporters that in fact were gathered today in Patna for Narendra Modi's rally in the state capital today.
Well, definitely there were a lot of preparations done for Hunkar rally, and in terms of law and order situation and having huge personnel put out otherwise in and around the rally area and near the railway station. So security is something that Bihar police was to look into, and obviously with the large numbers coming in, it was kind of difficult to really assess as to who could have been behind it. But yes, there would be a detailed report which has been sought now by MHA as to why a certain incident like this has taken place and who could be behind it. We've been told by our sources that two crude bombs were found. One which went off and grievously injured that particular person. It is yet to be found as to whether this person could actually finally turn out to be a suspect or not. But at this point of time, they're saying it's too early to really say anything. They would be looking into key witness accounts. They would also be speaking to a person who'd been manning that particular bathroom as to who all had actually gone in, who could have actually planted that particular bomb, any CCTV footage which could be found. So this is something that they're going to be looking at, but we've been told this is around 9:15 when that particular bomb went off. And remember, since morning there have been supporters of Narendra Modi who've been coming in via railway station, by road. So yes, this is going to be a huge headache for Bihar police. Remember, the rally is not even started yet, but the number of people who are pouring in is something that there would be a security concern amongst people as well as leaders as well, and we really have to see whether there could be some politics on this particular blast having taken place.
Absolutely, Kamalji. Sandhu, just stay with us. We spoke with Manu Maharaj, the SSP of Patna earlier, who was in fact at the spot and monitoring the bomb disposal squads. Let's listen in.
यहाँ पे शौचालय जो 10 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म पर शौचालय है, एक बम ब्लास्ट हुआ है, उसमें एक व्यक्ति घायल हुआ है, उसको रेफर किया गया है हॉस्पिटल में। बाकी जो हमारी बम डिस्पोजल वाली टीम है और FSL की टीम यहाँ आके जांच कर रही है।
कोई संदिग्ध की गिरफ्तारी हुई है?
अभी किसी की गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई है।
कितने आदमी इंजर्ड हैं?
एक आदमी इंजर्ड है, उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया है।
और भी बम कैसे बरामद हुए हैं क्या स्टेशन पर?
नहीं, अभी और सब जगह खोज छानबीन चल रही है, ऐसा कोई अभी बरामद नहीं हुआ है।